Hello everyone, in this video I am going to share about how to build JTable in Joomla5 custom component. So first of all, the JTable provides a streamlined way to interact with database table. By creating a by creating a JTable class, we can access and manipulate data within the database. This means we can create, update, read, delete easily with JTables. The tasks such as getting the data, storing into the database table, like that we can create with JTable. So in this video I will share about the JTable as an introduction and create a JTable and retrieve the data. This is our administrator page, and we are working on previous videos in hello custom component. I will share on that. So let's go to our code file. Here in administrator components, in hello, this is our custom components. To create database, to create JTables, we have to create the table folder and there one PHP file. In this hello component, let's create a folder, give this name as tables, and there in the table folder let's give hello.php, and here let's write PHP codes. Define JEXEC or tie. After that, let's create a class hello, and this is table, so hello table extends, we have to extend table here, Joomla CMS table. Yeah, it imports Joomla CMS table. There create a constructor function, and there we have to write like this, the TB, and there parent construct, and here we have to write the database table name. In our case, in previous lessons, our table name is in your case the table name should be as you create in the database table, so it is not the same as your table. So in my case now my table is this. Now we have created the table class, and the next step is we have to create controllers model. We have to change some codes to use this JTable. Now let's go to our controller. The controller here. We have to change some codes in JTable. So first of all, we have to extend admin controller here, and there we have to change some codes here in this display function, because we are using the JTable, so it is not the same as previous, and we are getting the text. And if the text is, it can be adding the data, or it can be edit also. If the text is add or edit, our view name will be hello. There are two views, hello and hellos. If the text is add or edit, the view name will be hello, and else the view name will be hellos. And the next step is view equal this get view. In that get view, we have to pass the view name, this view name, and HTML. After that, we have to set the model, set model, and this get model. There are also two model, hello model and hellos model. If the text is add or edit, it will work on hello model. If the text is not add or edit, it will use the hellos model. So get model, paste the view name, and give us true. And the next step is we have to display this view display. Now we have written the display method. After that, let's go to our model. There in this hellos.php, sorry, not in this hello.php, in hello.php we have to add a method getTable function here, public function getTable, and there name prefix option. So now let's give this as type hello, and prefix is hello table, our table name, our table class name, and the next one is config, and the config is array. After that, we have to return the table get instance, and there we have to pass this prefix and config. Prefix and config. After that, in this form model we have to import admin model. So remove this form model. Now we have change in hello.php model also. We have created the table and change in controller in model, and now let's try to run this custom component. Yeah, in components, in hello components, now we are getting the data in the database, so it is working the same as our previous lesson. So our JTable is working fine. So to summarize this video, first we have to add a table class and give the table name, add the table name, and after that in controller we have to set the model, which model we are working, and in hello.php we add this getTable method. Now the data, it retrieving the data from the database, it is working fine now, but there are some other things to work on in JTable, many things left, so I will share about that in other videos. So for this video, that's all for now. Thank you very much.